Sup, people of the internet, we've got something pretty cool here. Polaroid Originals just came out with a new camera. I ordered it online. I had to wait a few days for the UPS delivery guy to show up because they did not deliver it in time. But other than that, I got the new Polaroid Originals Onestep Plus camera in-house. And we're gonna unbox it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox the Polaroid Onestep Plus. It's a new camera that Polaroid Originals came up with. It's almost a year after they announced the Onestep 2. It's a new Polaroid, and this time it's with Bluetooth. And I'm so happy with that. Let's just dive in and see what's in the box. We have the manual, you have the quick start guide, which is really helpful if you never touched this camera before, especially with the Bluetooth, because you need to know how to pair that with your smartphone after all. We have the cable to charge the actual camera. You've got the lanyard to put it around your neck or around your shoulder. And then, yeah, that's about it. That's about all the stuff that comes in to the box, except for, of course, the Onestep Plus camera. And I'm totally loving it. So basically it's an upgrade of last year's model, the Onestep 2. So we get all of the features of the Polaroid that we already got, plus some new ones. Let's see what I did there. Major update. Yeah, it has two lenses. It has two lenses, people. So if you want to take a shot really close up, like a selfie, or you just want to go like really in macro, well, macro, it goes from 30 centimeters. It goes from 30 centimeters till 90 centimeters, which is between 1 and 3 feet for all you Americans out there. And the other one is from 60 centimeters till infinity. So you get both lenses to do more stuff, which is so cool that they included that. Also new and returning is the Viewfinder. With this time it has a little bit of a rubberized feel to the material, which is super nice. So thumbs up for Polaroid Originals to listening to their fans and listening to all the people that actually shoot a lot with the Polaroids. Now, similar to the Onestep 2, it still takes 600 and I-type film, just like you can see on the lid, so you can never mistake that for SX70, although you could use an ND filter. So on to the main thing. Now with that new Bluetooth connection also comes an application that we can set up with our smartphone. It has a really cool new UI. I really like the design of it, but it also got some features that we can use with the new Polaroid. So why don't we dive into that? Did I already mention that this app is super easy to set up? You really don't have to do anything. I was amazed by it. It automatically connected without me even knowing, so thumbs up for that one. We have the remote shutter, which you can find here. Pretty self-explanatory what that does, but we also have the self-timer, and now it allows us to go up till 12 seconds, not the 8 seconds that are built into the camera. But then coming to the cooler stuff is a double exposure. They're overlaid on top of each other, and it looks so pretty awesome. I've never done that with a Polaroid before, so this is gonna be a lot of playing for me. As well as the other new feature, it's light painting, and you just push the button and it allows your flash from your phone to go up. Okay, and then we also got something really cool, and something which I'm stoked about to try out is a noise trigger. So you can set the level of noise that you want it to hit, and then it will take a picture. If you're taking a selfie, you just have to shout and it will take the picture for you. And then the last thing is manual mode, and this is so awesome. I really like that they included this, because this is going to give so much creative freedom. So what you can play with is shutter speed, aperture. You can put your flash on, off. Well, you can do that on camera, but now also with the app, and everything with the app is cool. And you can also choose to eject a picture or take a double exposure, but then with manual controls. Okay guys, that's it. That's a really quick tour of all the features on the application. But yeah, I'm gonna play a little bit more with this guy before I give my full honest review. Until then, sub to be notified if I launch that video, or you click that bell if you didn't already. That's it guys, I will be seeing you in the next one. Inspire, create.